Linx allows for the creation of highly custom text or CSV files from your data. To do this, we're going to be using the text file write component in the file plugin. This plugin allows us to write text to any type of file, be it CSV, text, or anything in between. In order for us to write data, we will first have to get that data. We're going to be using the execute SQL component in the database plugin to retrieve product records. We need to do all of our normal configurations, such as the connection string, as well as create a SQL script. This data will be looped through row by row that we will write to our text file. The text file write component will allow us to create the text file with the data in it. It has a few options. First of all, we need to set the file path. This is where our file will be created and where the data will be written to. This can either be set statically or dynamically depending on your requirement. If you choose to set it dynamically, you can use the expression editor to combine variables, functions, as well as static text to form your file path. Next, we need to set the contents that will be written to the file. Here again, you can set it statically or dynamically depending on your requirement. It's useful to use the expression editor to build a line. For example, we will in this case have multiple columns. These columns need to be combined with a comma separating them in order to build our CSV file. You can dynamically build up your string to be in the format that you need it to be. We can also set encoding, what to do if the file doesn't exist, for example, create the file, or what to do if the file does exist. In our case, we're going to append the data. To learn more, go to linx.software.